Alright guys, so in this lecture we will modify our model a little bit so that this password will not be editable anymore. Okay, so let me just come out of this account here. So let's go to the admin.py file here. Okay, so here this one, accounts and admin.py file, and to do this we need one more class from Django.contrib.auth.admin import user admin. Okay, we need this one, and after that let's create a class called account admin, and here pass the user admin. Alright, so now let's set the list display, list underscore display, that is equal to, because this list display will do whatever the fields we want to display in this table. Okay, so that's why we do list display. For example, we need to display email and first name, comma last name, comma username, last login, what else, is active, is underscore active, and I think that's enough. Let me see what else we have. Date joined. Okay, let's see date joined. Okay, we'll add this one here, date joined, and comma, then the this is active. All right, so this is fine. All right, now if I save this and go to this here, refresh. Okay, I don't have. Okay, so I should pass this account admin to this register. Okay, so now it should be working. What happened here? Okay, since we are using the custom user model, we cannot just directly do this. So for that we have some rules that should be followed. So here inside the account admin, we have to set some other parameters also, that is filter underscore horizontal, that is equal to, just to keep it blank. Okay, so and a filter underscore, sorry, not filter underscore, this is a list underscore filter. Okay, so just is equal to blank, and then field sets equal to this one also blank. So what this does is it will make the password read only. Let's see how it works. Refresh. Alright, the first thing is you can see all these the list displays are working. So when I go to this email address, so now you can see this password is now read only. Okay, so this is how it works. And you know what, so this, when I click on this username, I mean the email address, it is going inside, and I want to click on this first name, then I just want to go inside this one from here also. Okay, so for that we will set one more attribute here. This is a list display underscore links, that is equal to email, comma, then first name, comma last name. I think enough. and I also want to search, right? Search for the users. I think search is by default it is enabled. Don't worry about that. We don't want search now. So what we need is read only fields. Okay, because sorry, read only underscore fields. This last login and date joined should be read only. Okay, this last login and date joined should be read only, and ordering is equal to date underscore joined. Okay, this minus date joined means it will show you descending order. All right, so that's how it works. Let me once save this and go to refresh. No, something is wrong here. Account admin ordering must be a list or tuple. Okay, so here what we need to do, we just need to say comma. Okay, so this should fix our issue. All right, so looks like it is fixed. Reload again. All right, so worked. So list display links also working, and this also should be working, but we only have one user, so that's why it is showing like this. Otherwise it will be working. Okay, so that's how we create a Django custom user model. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.